Welcome back everyone to another iPhone tutorial. Today we're going to see how to delete multiple contacts at once on iPhone. iPhones don't have a built-in select all options for contacts, but there is a quick gesture trick that lets you delete several contacts at the same time. It feels a little weird the first time you try it, but once you get used to it, it works really well. So firstly, go to the Contacts app on your iPhone. To select multiple contacts at once, place two fingers on top of a contact name. Keep both fingers on the screen and drag up or down your contact list. As you move your fingers, multiple contacts will start to highlight. Keep dragging until you've selected all the contacts you want to remove. Now, once your contacts are highlighted, lift your fingers off the screen. Press and hold on one of the highlighted contacts with one finger. A menu will appear. Choose Delete Number Contacts. Confirm the deletion one or more time. And now all the selected contacts will all be removed at once. And that's it. With this simple gesture trick, you can clean up your iPhone contacts much faster than deleting them one by one. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.